Here are the 10 most dangerous lakes in the world. Lakes are one of the best places around the world to have fun with friends and family. But it can be a killer if something like molten lava or radioactive materials are impounded. The lakes listed below are beautiful, however, are not recommended positively for adventures. There are millions of lakes in the world, out of which we have listed here with the 10 most dangerous lakes that are incredibly lethal. Before we go deeper, our request is to watch this video till end. It's really going to be an informative video and it can turn out as helpful for your future plans. If you like this video, must subscribe this channel. Let's dive deeper. Number 10. Horseshoe Lake. Horseshoe Lake, located in California, is considered to produce dangerous toxic gases, which is eventually killing nearby trees along the lake. The lake resides adjacent to the Mammoth Mountains that consists of large amounts of carbon dioxide. All of a sudden in 1989, there was massive destruction to nearby trees of Horseshoe Lake. Evidence revealed that the toxic gases were accumulated beneath the Mammoth Mountains, which exploded out during the earthquake that caused massive loss of trees. The gases accumulated were due to the lava presence below the Mammoth Mountains. The lake is considered dangerous to humans as there is the excess presence of carbon dioxide. Number 9. Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan signifies Lake of Lakes since it is in conjunction with other lakes of North America and Canada. Michigan word is derived from the word Michigami, meaning great water. Michigan Lake is the second largest by volume and seems to be pretty cool by the weather. But it can be deadly enough to kill many people due to rugged underwater current and piers. The lake becomes a monster during October and November. Number 8. Karach Lake. Karach Lake, also recognized as Karachai or Karachaj, is one of the most lethal lakes around the world. It is located in Russia between the mountains of the Ural, which was involved in mysterious radioactive experiments. Since 1951, the location was chosen for a radioactive and nuclear dump. The radioactive concentration is so high that just a visit can cause damage to internal organs. Standing for an hour can diffuse enough dose on a human to death. Number 7. Lake Monon. Lake Monon is a dangerous lake explosion site located in Cameroon. In 1984, the same explosion killed about 37 people, which was initially alleged as a terror attack. Further investigation revealed that the main cause for the death was due to excess release of carbon dioxide at the explosion site. The monster lake killed people at midnight around 3 a.m. with a terrifying gas explosion. People residing along the lake suffered skin discoloration, skin burns, and suffocation to death. Number 6. Lake Rastle. The Lake Rastle, located in Tibet, is one of the most beautiful lakes around the world. However, due to heavy salt content in the lake makes it impossible for any organism to live in. Nearby villagers consider the Lake Rastle as a poison since no plants or aquatic animals survive in the lake. There are also many myths of a demon-like egoistic king living in the lake, which is selfishly avoiding other organisms to live. The name Rastle signifies darkness, perfectly delegate to the lake. Number 5. Lake of the Ozarks. Lake of the Ozarks is one of the deadliest lakes in the world and is the most dangerous in the United States. Ozarks Lake seems to be pretty cool when compared to other dangerous lakes, but the risk of getting killed is extremely high. The primary factor is the E. coli presence in the lake, which causes food poisoning and other lethal diseases. E. coli bacteria gets accumulated in the Ozarks Lake due to nearby sewage directly flowing into the lake. During the initial days, Ozarks Lake was the largest man-made lake in the United States, and currently over 5 million people are visiting the same. Number 4. Lake Nyos. Lake Nyos is located in the northwest regions of Cameroon. It is filled with carbon saturation, holding the third spot around the world For the explosion, currently, the Lake Nyos is an inactive volcanic lake, and there is evidence of huge lava impounding them. The lake is lethal since the water is in the form of carbonic acid, which can probably burn the human skin. It had caused an unanticipated disaster in 1986, which tossed about 1746 people in the nearby village. Today, a single jolt can cause the lake to spill across the streams of the village and cause harm to the villagers. Number 3. Jaljalop. Jaljalop signifies running glaciers, is located in Iceland, which is formed as a result of glacier flood. The lake was conserved as a result of the partial inflow of volcanic lava into the glacial area. The result was a hydrostatic outburst that caused an overflow of water above the threshold, causing the lake formation. The outburst by Jaljalop is very rapid, which can cause massive destruction to nearby areas and threats to human lives. Number 2. Lake Kivu. Lake Kivu is a deadly lake that lies on the border of the Democratic Republic of Rwanda and Congo. It is so believed that Kivu Lake is filled with a lot of chemical junks that consist mainly of 65 cubic kilometers of methane and 256 cubic kilometers of carbon dioxide. Since 1951, the pollution has gone to such an extent that many units have started to extract methane from this lake. And also the site was extensively used for radioactive dump, and the accumulation currently can kill any human within minutes of existence. Number 1. Boiling Lake. As the name says, Boiling Lake is the most dangerous lake in the world with a water temperature of about 180 and 197 degrees Fahrenheit, located in Dominica's World Heritage Site. The lake is fledged across 250 feet. Since 1870, there have been a lot of variations in height as well as the temperature of the water. However, none could dare to measure the temperature from the center of the lake, since records have revealed that the epicenter is flushed with a lot of molten lava. There is no direct road connecting the lake, and the nearest road spotted is 8.1 miles away. This was our video about top 10 most dangerous lakes in the world in 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope this video was worth watching it. Again, thanks for watching our video. Like this video and share your opinion in comments. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can watch our more interesting videos like this in future.